back. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are actually going to be not unboxing, because I actually already did that, because this is my GlobeIn VIP haul. Now this is actually from July. The VIP kind of ships later, like first they'll usually ship like your box and then add-ons and then the VIP sale. So before I get into what I got for the July, hiccups, excuse me, the July VIP sale, I do first want to say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We always do amazing fun things. We do unboxings, we do makeup hauls, we do sneak peek videos, live streams that are always amazing and fun, and you never know what's gonna happen. And then obviously I do tons of giveaways. So we do have an active giveaway right now. Actually, we have the Tribe Beauty Box, the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. The entire box is in a giveaway. So if you would like to win, definitely check that out and enter. Now we are getting super, super close to 5,000 subscribers. And once we get to 5,000, we will have a really awesome giveaway. So this is probably going to be my best giveaway yet, because 5K to me is just a really good big milestone. So go ahead and hit that button, join us on our journey, and let's get there. So please do leave a comment letting me know what you think of the items. Let me know how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. Also, please do give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. Now, this is my GlobeIn, again, July 2019 VIP haul, if you will. So, GlobeIn. What is GlobeIn? Well, GlobeIn is I'm getting tongue-tied. GlobeIn is an amazing subscription. Now, GlobeIn is usually $40 a month with $10 shipping, so $50 a month. You do receive a beautifully curated box with products from all over the world, different artisans, glassware. Just, you guys, it's amazing. It's absolutely amazing. If you have not yet signed up for GlobeIn, I will put a link down below. And here's the best part. That link will get you your first box for only $10. No shipping, no tax, just $10. You cannot beat it. And the good thing is with GlobeIn, they have a monthly themed box every month that is like the box of the month. However, if you don't really care for what is in that box, you can swap it. They usually have 3 to 5 other boxes that you can choose from. So you have a variety to choose from. And like I said, my link will get it for you for $10. What? Yes. And then of course, like I said, they do have add-ons, which are amazing. And then the VIP sale. So, and in fact, I just realized the earrings that I have on and the necklace are from GlobeIn. I did these as add-ons a month or two ago. So let's get to what I got in my VIP sale haul for July 2019. So this first item I'm actually not too sure about, because I even went back and looked and I did not select this, but that's okay. But it is this fan and I'm glad, because it literally came with a little card that says palm leaf fan. So at first, because I was like, what is this? So if you're hot, oh, that actually feels good, because y'all is so hot. I live in North Carolina, for those of you who do not know, and it has been like 98 degrees, and humid as all get out, and it is just like it takes your breath away outside. Oh, this feels good. I may not stop. Oh, that's why I have like minimal makeup on, because I don't want it melting off. It is blazing hot. So we got a palm leaf fan. This, like I said, this actually I didn't select. I don't know if it was just in there. I'm not sure. But so there's that. Now for the items that I chose. Now this combines 2 of my favorite things. So I am super excited about this. If you follow me either here or on Instagram, you know that I love, I'm not gonna sing. I want to, but I'm not. Coffee. Oh my gosh. Okay. And I love owls. I think owls are super cute. Now, they had an owl coffee cup. I do already have one, but this one, isn't he precious? So cute. Just adorable. I love the ceramic products from GlobeIn. They're always just so gorgeous. This was made in Nepal, but he is just so adorable. Like, how could you not love this? So that was one item I got. And then, because school starts here in less than 2 weeks, 2 weeks from yesterday. So I decided, I saw a couple of really beautiful, like hand carved picture frames. And I'm like, well, school pictures are coming up, so I need some new frames. So I picked up a couple. I picked up one. This one is probably my favorite. It is absolutely beautiful. It is a 4x6, but you guys, look at this. Is this not just like gorgeous? Like, can you see like all this detail and just, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And this, let's see, where are you from? Made in India, it's fair trade and sustainable. That is one thing too about GlobeIn that I love. They work with companies to promote fair wages, fair trade. I think the message behind GlobeIn is amazing as well. So, and these products are all gorgeous. You guys, I've received so much stuff from GlobeIn. If you didn't see, if you're new and you have not seen, or if you aren't new and just missed, I had my add-ons for July, $1,400. That's how much I love these products. They are so gorgeous and so well made. And another thing that I love, part of the reason this isn't really an unboxing is because they package everything so well. Like, let me show you the next frame. Let's go ahead and get to the next item and I'm gonna explain. So this one I thought was super cute as well, but I love that it has the hang so you could hang it. Gorgeous. Again, this was also made in India. It's the same brand, but you can see here, y'all, look at that. That is just so beautiful. This is a 4x4, but I just thought, I mean, it's just gorgeous. This frame right here was, I mean, it was wrapped in bubble wrap. I mean, wrapped and wrapped and wrapped. So I got the bubble wrap off. Well, then it was inside of a box. So I cut it, got the box open, took it out. Then it was wrapped with almost the color of cardboard paper, but a little bit thicker than regular paper. It was wrapped a couple of times in that. And then there was a piece of styrofoam here covering the glass with a piece of cardboard over it. So they like quadruple wrapped and protected this picture frame. They package their products so well. Like, it's crazy. Now, this I ordered, and I may end up giving to my mom and dad. I'm not sure. Let me take this out of the plastic. I just really thought this was pretty. Like, it's like simple and pretty, if that makes sense. It is like a tea towel, a hand towel, but it could really go with any decor. I just thought it was pretty, and it is so soft. This was also from India, but it's just gorgeous. I just really like that. Like I said, it could go with any decor. I actually, in my $1,400 add-on haul, I got 2 new hand towels. One is on my dishwasher, one is on my oven, and they are gorgeous. Now, the next item, or items, they go together, are these gorgeous, I told you guys I love their ceramics, are these 4 little bowls. And you can kind of see like they're all similar, but a little bit different, and they go together. But these I thought were perfect. We do a lot of little get-togethers and may have appetizers and things. So I thought, like, say if we're doing like hot wings or something. You know, we could put some ranch in here, some blue cheese in here. Just, I thought these would be great condiment ceramics. And it did come as the set of 4. But aren't they just so cute? I love them. So, all right, now, you guys, for what I am the most excited about, for 2 reasons. Again, coffee. So I bought a coffee cup. I have a Keurig, which I love and I use often if I don't run to Starbucks or Dunkin'. This is something I've been wanting, and it actually, I believe one of these was an option in a FabFitFun. I'm not sure exactly which box it may, I don't remember, but I didn't get it. I got a teapot instead, but I was able to get this through the VIP sale with GlobeIn. And it is this beautiful rose gold French press. You guys, this is just so beautiful. And let's see, hot or cold brew, coffee or tea. It says you use coarse ground coffee for rich and full flavor. Hand wash only, all stainless steel filter, Pyrex glass beaker, secondary filter in the lid, double filters your coffee or tea. So that would catch anything extra. What does this say? Over 783 million people lack access to clean water. Every Grosch, I don't know if I'm saying this brand, every product sold provides 50 plus days of safe drinking water for people in need. I did not even know that, you guys, and that makes me feel so much better about getting this. That is amazing. And it's hashtag every cup fills another. Y'all, how awesome is that? And then here on the side, this other side, it just shows you put in your coffee or tea, stir it up a little bit, you let it steep, and then you enjoy. So I am excited to give this guy a try. I think it is absolutely beautiful. This is from Taiwan, and the model of this is Madrid, and again, it is rose gold. That is all here on the bottom, so you can see. And then there you can see this is from Taiwan. So I think the fact that this gives back, especially safe drinking water, because that is so important, is amazing. So I feel even better about getting this now that I know that. And then the fact that I now just have a beautiful French press to go with my adorable owl coffee mug. I just love GlobeIn, you guys. They are amazing. Again, they give back. They work with companies for fair wages, fair trade. I think it is amazing. The products are just gorgeous and amazing. I think I've said amazing 12 times. I don't know, but that's what it is. It is truly. And it's, again, one of my favorite boxes to get. So I will leave that link down below if you'd like to sign up and get your first box for only $10. So let me know your thoughts down below. What item was your favorite? I hope you all have a fantastic day. Again, don't forget about that Try Beauty Box giveaway. And if you, again, are new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.